Hello friends, welcome to our channel Study Maniac presented by AS Developers. So friends, let's start our today's vocabulary of the Hindu 18 July 2018. Today's first word is squanch, meaning to look for or get food in other people's rubbish. Example, we managed to squanch a lot of furniture from the dump. The flood has left people and animals desperately scavenging for food. Hindi meaning manjna, similar words to expel burnt gases from. Second word, vassalage, meaning the state or condition of a vessel. Example, the great mass of inhabitants were kept in a state of servitude and vassalage. Week after week went by and we were kept in a state of vassalage. Hindi meaning gulami. Similar words, homage or service required of a vassal. Next word, poacher, meaning a person who trespasses on private property. Example, after being caught hunting animals illegally, the party was given a fine for poaching and their guns were seized. Second example, because of poaching, the hunted African rhino is now at risk of being extinct from the earth. Hindi meaning शिकारी या शिकार का चोर. Similar meaning especially to catch fish or game illegally. Next word, consent, meaning to permit, approve or agree. Example, he consented to the proposal. We asked her permission and she consented. He gave his consent to the marriage. So these are the examples. Hindi meaning सहमति. Similar words comply or yield. Next word, incarcerate, meaning to imprison and confine. Example, the police are going to incarcerate the teen who keeps committing acts of violence. Second example, if Jim does not stop drinking and driving, the judge will have to incarcerate him. Hindi meaning कैद कर देना. Similar words to enclose, constrict closely. Next, amorphous, meaning shapeless, undefined. Example, not in tax dollars, not in national resources, not even in the amorphous concept of a body count. Second example, how and what makes this amorphous movement step in this direction or that. Hindi meaning bedab. Similar words vague, anomalous. Next, compare, meaning an equal in rank, ability and accomplishment. Example, he was already known among his compeers for his knowledge of Greek. He was without compare the greatest pastoral lyrist of Denmark. Hindi meaning साथी. Similar words colleague, peer, close friend, comrade. Next, lynch, meaning to put to death. Example, every man on that list except Asad was deposed, lynched or imprisoned. We didn't ask to be second class citizens, to be lynched, to not be allowed to vote. Hindi meaning वध करना. Similar meaning put to death by hanging, by mob action or without legal authority. Next, resonate, meaning be received or understood. Example, the speaker hopes her inspirational story will resonate with audience members and spur them to chase their dreams. Next, the pictures of my deceased parents always seem to resonate with me. Hindi meaning समझ में आना and गूंजना. Similar words sound with resonance and reverberate. Next, extrapolated, meaning to infer an unknown from something that is known. Example, the results of a survey of two campuses cannot be extrapolated for the entire country. Second, extrapolated to the total prison population. This means that approximately 2 lakh veterans were behind bars. Hindi meaning वाग्विस्तार. Similar meaning, to predict future outcomes based on known facts, estimate the value of. So friends, today's topic is finished. So and friends, if you like my video, so please like it and share it, and please do not forget to subscribe. Please subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.